What do you think an Italian nonna would say if she walked in right now?
Sure. Don't put tiramisu in my coffee.
1 hour, a 3-course dinner party, and this edition, Italian.
Let's go.
Let's go! You're going to find out the theme and the region for this dinner party.
No, going for this one. Veneto and Lombardy.
Are you ready to pick the theme?
Doopy doop. Date night.
Exciting.
Oh, that's so romantic.
It is. So Abs, what does date night look like for you in your household?
Date night is not traditional date night anymore. We do go on dates though, don't get me wrong. But date night means our kids are coming over. And there's 6 of us and we have a family treat. I'm going to try that new Taleggio from Lombardy. That's beautiful creamy cheese with some smashed green olives. And then I thought gnocchi. Everybody loves gnocchi. My kids love it. So I'm going to make
I don't know, she's going to do that all in 1 hour.
What do you think, B? I mean, you know I cook fast. Do you think an hour's going to be okay?
You'll do it.
So we're on the way to Woolies Tiger Valley, where I'm going to do my Italian shop. I must say I'm a little bit nervous. Let's shop. Let's shop. Bruschetta. Here we go, Italian salad. Okay, cheese. Oh, they've got Taleggio in stock. It's brand new, one of the new Italian cheeses. And I love it. It comes from Lombardy and it's got a lovely nutty and soft creamy texture. So it's like a real soft cheese, but it's got maturity to it. Let's go. Anchovies. So this is the authentic Parma ham. It's like a trolley dash.
What Abby doesn't know, while she's doing her shopping, we're going to go find 3 secret ingredients that she needs to incorporate in her cooking.
Yeah, nice shop. Cool, I'm gonna go pay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready as I can be.
Okay, cool. So you have an hour to complete everything and your time starts now.
Not even an extra 5 minutes.
Nope.
Okay, let's go. Bruschetta, we're on. This is how I usually cook. Tear the packets open. Okay, I'm making bruschetta with a little bit of garlic. Okay, bruschetta in. Taleggio. Okay, olives. Smash. Beans. Does it look like I'm having fun or not? Stressful that we only have an hour. How do you pronounce this? Calabrian chili paste, Italian. I'm making the bean salad. Who's entering my very dangerous kitchen?
So we have 3 surprise ingredients that you have to incorporate.
Have to.
Have to.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
Firstly,
Let me check my peppercorns for my sauce. Okay, there
Firstly,
we
we
go.
have truffle and parmesan flavored chips.
Oh, I love those. I actually
Amazing.
had those last night.
Really?
Yeah, that's
Amazing.
so delicious.
Second, we have Italian baby artichokes.
Beautiful.
Love.
Oh, good.
And then lastly, do you want to guess? We have ox tripe.
Love.
Amazing.
How fabulous.
All
One
the
of my
best.
favorite. Tripper.
Oh, you're already eating the
Okay.
chips.
So these are to eat. I don't have to cook with it.
Yeah, they need to be in the recipe
Okay,
somewhere.
I can do that.
All the best,
This
Abby.
is fabulous. All I need to do
you wanna do
is
that
read
again?
the instructions. 15 minutes on the stovetop. Right, a little bit of more garlic. Garlic and everything Italian. Oh, wrong pot. Oh my gosh. You swear I'd never cooked before. Yeah, let's swap over. Ooh, danger in the kitchen. Parmigiano Reggiano, just to get the most luscious, creamy sauce for your gnocchi. Right, secret ingredient. Ooh la la. Woolworths basil pasta sauce. Who would have thought of that? Need to think about these things. They're so delicious. I might not be able to use them in a recipe.
Okay, Abs. So you have about 25 minutes.
No, I don't like feeling. Okay, calm down. There we go. Taleggio. So you see how creamy it is? How's my tripey tripe? Oh, look at that. Gosh, I'm so messy. Now I need a drink. It's non-alcoholic, but don't worry about that. Cheers. Bellissimo. Okay, let's do our antipasta. Antipasta.
No pressure, but you
Yes.
still have a dinner table to set.
Oh no. Oh, dessert. We forgot the dessert. See, can you bring a couple of tablespoons? I don't know where they all are. This is freshly brewed Kenyan coffee with OBE tiramisu. So it's kind of like a take on an affogato, but it's not really. But if you want an affogato, try this.
What do you think an Italian nonna would say if she walked in right now?
Sure. don't put tiramisu in my coffee. And that doesn't sound like an Italian nonna. So when I have guests or family or even the date night, I always like a little bit of fun when I'm making my table. And sorry. Who's phoning me while I'm trying to prep for my dinner party?
No pressure, but you only have 5 minutes left.
5 minutes?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let me just
You can
finish
do it.
Let me finish it. I can do it, but I want it to look nice too, you know. Done. And then you just leave that on the table. Let everybody help themselves. And whose alarm is that?
And your
That
time's
says
up.
something. No cheats, just treats.
Just treats. I love that.
So now
Oh.
you the judge.
Yes, I am. Well done, Abby.
Ah,
I didn't think you'd
okay.
make it.
I didn't either, especially when you added the tripe and those crisps.
Yeah. What's your starter?
Your secret ingredient was the truffle and cheese crisps.
Yes.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh my God.
It works with the truffle, hey?
Yes, it does.
I know. It feels like there's truffle oil on
This
here.
is delicious.
Can I offer you one of my bruschettas with Taleggio and green olives?
Ooh.
And lots of garlic.
Oh my gosh.
Like if a cheddar was a brie, it's
Yes, that's exactly
Taleggio.
it. Yes, yes, yes.
That's actually paste that I can't pronounce properly.
Okay, cool.
I can't pronounce a lot of things properly.
And that's okay.
But I know what they
You're not
are.
Italian. It's okay.
No, it's in English.
Yes.
Okay, now I have some tripe with that. I took a jar of tomato sauce, Italian tomato sauce, with boerewors in it, which
Oh,
is
wow.
a newish product.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, basically just made it more Italian because of the tomato.
Literally melt in the mouth. Oh my goodness.
This is the main event.
Okay, okay.
This is the gnocchi with
Yes.
cacio e pepe sauce with lots of parmesan, lemon, and of course the secret ingredient, which were the bottled artichokes in olive oil. And I just
wow.
tore them into the sauce.
Yes. This is delicious.
Good.
Thank you.
The way you say it is like, this is delicious now. No. Was that not delicious?
Give me 5 of these. Abby, I cannot believe you did all of this under an hour. Well done. With
Thank
all
you.
the plot twists and the mystery ingredients added your way. Yeah.
Good.
Impressed.
And that's, I'm happy that you're impressed, but that's kind of like, I want to make easy, accessible food for our viewers. So, and this is what it is. It's just by taking things that are ready made for you, making them your own, and adding your twist. And a little bit of effort, but not much effort at all.
Absolutely.
So you can do it too. And to find all these delicious recipes, including this drink, head to taste.co.za. Okay, so hard, but so.
It's a wrap, guys.
Yo, I want
That
to
was
see that
so
edit. It was so much fun, yes.
See you at the next challenge. I think you have officially won the challenge.
Oh, you're amazing. No, say that again.
Wait.
Bloody hope so.